Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you an information on Walgreens rolling out a MasterCard. Now, if you are new to my channel is dedicated to help you wherever you are in your credit journey to help you improve your credit and learn how to leverage credit lines to make income. Now, the reason why I bring you a lot of these qualifications or pre-approvals, because as I always explain, if you have too many hard inquiries, I don't care if you have a 740 credit score, too many hard inquiries will get you denied for credit. I had a client had a ton of hard inquiries, which was 11, and couldn't get approved for credit. So you want to make sure when you're looking to get lines of credit or offers, you first try to go through a soft pull pre-qualification or pre-approval. So it helps you see if you fit in the credit profile that the company is looking to approve you for. Now, because they pre-qualify you does not mean that you're guaranteed the card. You can actually apply and get denied. So you want to focus on what's reporting on your credit profile before you apply for these cards. And anytime that you apply, it will result in a hard inquiry pull, whether you be approved or not approved once you pull the trigger. So if you're a person with a ton of hard inquiries, and that means over 8 hard inquiries, we do have a free hard inquiry removal package. I will leave the link in the description of this video. It's actually in the description of every video, that link to go to my website, and you can download that for free. Also, be careful if scammers in the comments using my photo. Click on the photo just to verify it's me responding to your questions. Always keep in mind, I'm not doing credit consultations. So anybody asking you to email them, WhatsApp them, you should know that as a red flag. That's not me. So all you got to simply do is report that. I'm not credit repair. I'm not here to do credit repair. I give credit education. So take this information and apply it. So when we're looking at this Walgreens card, this is a great opportunity, especially for those who are trying to build credit. This card is being issued by Synchrony Bank. So if you're new to credit, one thing about Synchrony Bank, they have lower requirements of approval than the average banks like Bank of America, Chase, and other banks that's out there like American Express issuers. They have a lower requirement. So this is a great starting point to build credit. Now, one other option too, understand a lot of people with subprime credit, that's lower or treble credit scores, they will sometimes go and get a subprime card from Credit One Bank, First Premier credit card, and others that has a high annual fee. By going through these store cards, they have 0 annual fees that can actually save you money. And with Walgreens, they have a MasterCard logo card that you can receive and you can use anywhere, just like those bank cards, and you can get a more generous credit line, unlike some of those other bank cards. And you can get a slightly lower interest rate many times by going these store card routes. So we're going to go through this information right here. Walgreens are offering 2 cards. One is a MasterCard and the other one is a store card. Now, you can earn $25 Walgreens cash rewards by using these cards. Here, that shows you, see if you can pre-qualify. You want to pre-qualify with no impact on your credit score before you apply here, everyone. So make sure you pre-qualify and don't go straight to the application to make sure that you fit at least in the credit profile that they may consider. Now, it talks about how you can get rewarded every time you shop at Walgreens, Dwayne Reed, or Walgreens.com. 10% you can get with Walgreens Cash Rewards on Walgreens branded purchases. And there's some exclusions that do apply, but 5% Walgreens Cash Rewards on all other Walgreens brand and pharmacy purchase. And also with this, there is some exclusions that apply, but you can redeem rewards instantly at the checkout. You can get rewarded for healthy activities, and you can also receive pharmacy perks and discounts, and only for you sales deals is also included. Now, with the MasterCard, they're going to even give you more rewards. So with the MasterCard, they'll give you 3% Walgreens rewards on groceries and health and wellness purchase, 1% Walgreens cash rewards everywhere MasterCard is accepted. So you want to see if you can get that MasterCard, because then you can use this card anywhere to rent a car, hotel. You're not limited to the store only. With the My Walgreens card, it will only be products at Walgreens, Dwayne Reed's, and other affiliates that Walgreens are connected to. Now, both of these cards offer the 10% rewards on Walgreens purchases, brand purchases. So both of these offer that. 5% rewards on all Walgreens purchases. They both offer that. Now, as you take notice, when you get to the MasterCard, you have certain exclusive items that we already discussed that's only for that MasterCard, which is the 3% on grocery and health and wellness purchases outside of Walgreens, because it is a MasterCard logo, and 1% on all other purchases that accepted MasterCard is accepted. So the great part, like I said, if you're a person that's trying to build credit and don't want to go the subprime route, you will have no annual fees. Now that's on both cards. So it's a great way to build your credit. They also have zero fraud liability on both cards and free credit monitoring. So with this Walgreens card, this is an opportunity where you can build. Now, one thing I want to just go over with the interest rates. Now with the store card, if you only get the store card, the interest rate on that will be 26.99%. But if you qualify for the MasterCard, it will be between 17.99% to 26.99%. Now, when you're dealing with cards like this, you want to minimize carrying balances and use it to build your credit, or to have a different option than going the subprime route. Now, with Synchrony Bank, they're going to pull from TransUnion. Okay. Here's the credit requirements for each card. Now, if you are looking at the store card, you can possibly get approved with a 600 to a 640 credit score, and that's for the store card. Now, suggested for the MasterCard, you want to look at a 660 and up to be approved for this card. Now, always keep in mind, it depends on what's reporting on your credit profile. I cannot stress this enough for people. If you know that you have recently got a charge off or a collection, especially in the last 90 days to 6 months, or late payments, you might want to just slow your roll, even if you get pre-qualified. So you want to keep that in mind. If you got a ton of hard inquiries, 12, 20, you went and got a car and they just shotgun your credit, you might want to keep that in mind also, and pay attention to your credit profile, because hard inquiries fall off in 2 years. So if you're a person that looks at and monitor your credit, and you see maybe next month or 2 months from now that you're going to have a number of hard inquiries removed, you can wait in order to apply for this. So I always tell you guys, it's all dictated on your credit profile and what you have reporting. Keep in mind, I have seen people with a 725 credit score and they have a collection. They can have a charge off, because what I'm teaching you, just by having unsecured lines of credit, you don't have to remove one negative item. You can increase your credit score if you find lending institutions or banks that is willing to work with that. And so Synchrony is one of these lower requirement banks that you can get in even with troubled credit. So hopefully this is helpful. I'm going to leave the link in the description as always, so you can go here to see if you pre-qualify without an initial hard inquiry soft pull to your credit score. Now, if you have any questions on this video, in the link in under this description of this video, there's always a link I always leave to my website. So if you have personal questions, you can send me a notice there. You can send me a message there and I can respond. It goes directly to my cell phone. If you have something general, you can leave it in the comment section and I will try my best to reply expediently to your comment. So hopefully this is informational. I hope to see you guys in the next video.